Welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically set up a third-person character in Unreal Engine 5 series. So let's get started. The first thing, you need a mesh and your skeleton. Once you have that, now first just go to your third-person template or just create a simple third-person template. Simply just duplicate the class. Once you duplicate the third-person class, move to your mesh or anywhere wherever you want. Now once you have that, just double click and open it. Once you open it, you will find something like this. Now once you have that, go to the viewport, go to the mesh. At here you find the skeleton. Now from here, choose your skeleton that you want to choose. In my case, that is the player skeleton. So player mesh. Okay, now you will see it's a weird with the shape of stuff. So now compile save. For that, I already created some animation that is going to be work properly with this one. So I'm going to use it there. Okay, now once you have this thing, now just reset this thing, compile and save. You will find your character is now okay. But now you have to do some coding with your animation. How? Go to your content. Now at here, create an animation blueprint. Now from here, choose your skeleton that your animation or the player using. In my case, this is this one. Click on create. Now at here, give it name that DP player. Now double click and open it. Once you have that, now here you have to do some basic coding with some basic stuff. So before go to the first event graph, at here search from here that get velocity. From the velocity search that the length, or you can specifically search length and you will find the vector length, get that. From the get velocity search that calculate direction. From here you have to search that get actor rotation. From controller, connect with your base rotation. This one will basically be speed, so just give it name speed. And this one is your direction, so give it name direction. So in my case, I'm just giving it tire. From here, you have to cast your player BP, so BP player. In my case, it's a third-person BP, so BP third-person character, and in my case that is 1, so I'm going to choose 1. Connect like this thing, connect like this. Now your coding part is done. Now you have to go to event graph and you have to do the animation. How? From here, click on animation, choose a blend space. From here, choose a 8-way directional blend space like this. Then choose give name that BE movement BL, which is movement blend space. Then double click and open it. Now you have to set up a 8-way directional. How? To keep it how it was, we don't have to do anything with that. In a horizontal, choose it to your LR, which is basically your left and right. And from here, choose the maximum value to minus 180 to plus 180. Then the grid number, you have to choose 8. Then here snap target. From here, you don't have to do anything. Search here that speed or right type here speed. From here, choose the speed you want to keep and again give it to 8. Now, once you have this thing, now at here you find all the animation you have already. Now you can see the grids. Enable this grid option. From here, first drag and drop the idle at here, all the section like this. Now you will see it's more like going pop up. So just enable the snap grid. It will be snap on the grid. So you have to don't worry about anything. Idle, 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 idle. Now you have to give the forward. So the forward will be there. So in my case, it is on the 200. Then you have to give the left 45, then the left 35, 135, then R35 here, then R44 at here, and here the back and the back. I forgot to add one more, create one more animation, so let me just create this animation and let me come back to you. Okay, so I'm back with the animations. It's take a while. Damn. Okay, now just set left with left, R with R. Okay, now we have all the 8-way directional movement that we need. Okay, now just save it. Now lastly, we have to go to our animation BP. Go to your animation here, go to assets here, just drag and drop your movement, connect like this. From here, just connect your speed and your directional like this thing. Now compile and save. Now your movement is ready. Now lastly, we have to go to our meshes and the BP player that we are going to use. Choose here and choose our new player BP animation. Now compile and save. Lastly, we have to do, because it's 8-way directional, choose it here and search that Y, and control rotation, it should be active. Lastly, you have to go to character movement, search that orient, and here you find oriented movement. Disable this thing because we are not going to use that. Now your character is ready to rock and roll. Now to display it, let me just go to a simple map. Let's go to the game mode, let's assign any of game mode that you like to use. And here I'm going to use this one, compile, and now let's click on play. So here's my character, left, right, forward, left, back. Okay, in the left or back, I guess I did some mistake on the animation renaming, so let me just fix it. So this one, it should be at here. This one should be at here. Okay, I just maybe mistakenly typed the name. That's why it's happened. Back. Okay, let me just see how it's work. Use control rotation, it's done. Did anything wrong? Here is speed. No. Also, let me just increase the character movement because it can also affect. So 500 to 200 because that is what my maximum speed was. Now, okay, I did again mistake at here. Yep, see, I did little mistake everything. So this is R. So R should be at here, this should be there, it should be here. Now, as far I am thinking, this should be there, this one should be here, this should be there, this should be there, this should be there. Now let me give it a try. Okay, I literally did confused. 35. Only what happening on here forward, only backward left are doing problem. So the back one doing problem, which is this one, they are playing on opposite direction. So it should be here, this should be there, like this. Now it should be work. Yep, see, that's why I said that there is just a little bit animation problem. So that's all, I guess, how you can set up your player. See you in next video. Bye bye.